episode of Beyond the Boundary powered by Elista. Kalyani Mangle spoke to South Africa's Seshni Naidu. So let's see how the conversation unfolded.
स्मार्ट हो रहा है इंडिया, जैसे इंडिया में बना एलिस्टा स्मार्ट एलईडी टीवी विद वर्ल्ड क्लास क्लैरिटी एंड अमेजिंग फीचर्स.
First of all, heartiest congratulations to you on getting selected in the World Cup squad. Tell me, who was the first person you called when you found out that you are in the World Cup squad?
I was actually at home. I ran and I screamed and I told my dad about it first.
Yeah, so and what was his reaction like?
He was very proud. His dream finally came true. So it was exciting for all of us.
Yeah, I know. It's just like the first World Cup, you're playing in your home country, all the excitement, and of course, parents will also be excited. So tell me, what's your shirt number now for South Africa?
My number now is 21.
And is there any story behind it? Why 21?
There actually is no story behind it. I just I just got the number. 21.
Okay, you know who else has a 21 number?
No.
You know, Jess Jonathan, the great Australian spinner, she has a 21 number. So, you know, that's like you are continuing that greatness in South Africa. So you should be proud of that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, fantastic. So tell me how cricket started for you.
I started at the age of 9. I was playing mini cricket and then I got scouted to go play hardball for the under 30.
So do you remember your first day of training? Like, how was it to train with the hardball?
I was scared, to be honest. I was very small and I was scared to play against the older girls because they were like all 13 and stuff and they were big. So when their pace balls came up to me, I was scared, but like I enjoyed attacking them. Like I just wanted to hit that ball. Oh dear.
So, you know, you see, it was like the mentality is like, I know I'm scared, but I'm equally excited. So it's just like the balance between those things. And do you remember like how, when you started playing, was there any moment when you realized that, yes, I am good at it and I want to continue this playing the cricket?
Yes, I enjoyed playing it a lot. And from then on, every morning I'd wake up to become a better cricketer and improve myself and just wanting to play that game. And I fell in love with this game.
Don't we all just love the game? So when you started playing, do you remember who was your first coach and how the coach helped you?
My first coach was Coach D.
Okay. Oh, the great coach.
Great coach. Yes.
Yeah. And we are not just saying it because she is there. We know she's a great coach.
She is.
Yes. So how is it to like being coached by Coach D?
I really enjoyed it growing up as she was my coach. So I really enjoyed her being around.
And you know, the coaches, when you are playing this underage cricket, the coaches are kind of like your best friends. So do you have any memory with Coach D that she told you that this is it, you can do it, or something like that?
Throughout the years, Coach D has always been supportive of me and backed me and helped me to become a better cricketer.
Yeah. So she's like what we see on ground, she's coaching and she's like what you have seen from her, it's exactly like with her students also, always supporting, right? Yes, fantastic. So you know, when you said that you told your father about getting selected in the squad, so how has been the support of your family been throughout this?
My family has always been at every match supporting me throughout the years. And they love to watch me play, and they also have learned a lot because of me playing the sports. So,
yeah. And you know, South Africa has this legacy of big players, not just in women's game, with men's game also. Like big names, it will be Dane van Niekerk, or it will be Sune Lis and Mignon and Marizan, and the men said all the big names. So, who is your favorite player amongst these players?
I would say Vova. Yes.
The queen of consistency is what we call her.
Yeah.
Have you ever played alongside her in any of the games or watched her play live?
Not as yet played with her.
You'd love to do that, right? One day?
I would, and I'll be
Yeah.
very excited.
So, would you like to ball at her, or you like to be at the non-strikers end when she is batting?
I would like to take her on and bowl to her.
Okay, and what will, if let's say for example, you get Laura Woolward's wicket, how will the celebration be like?
Yeah, interesting celebration.
Interesting celebration, yes. So, what's your you get wicket? How's your celebration like now? So we can decide what the interesting will be.
Just celebrate with my team. I don't really have my own celebration. I just enjoy celebrating with my team.
Yeah,
that's what makes me happy.
Yeah, so Laura Woolward, I will tell Laura Woolward to be aware that there's going to be a team celebration once you get her wicket, right? And what are your hobbies outside of cricket? When you're just done with cricket, done with practicing, what do you do to unwind?
I love to spend time with family and friends, but my dad and I also like to go golfing a lot.
Ooh, wow! You know what? Rory McIlroy is one of my favorite golfers. Who is your favorite golfer?
Tiger Woods.
Yes, of course. And he is the one who taught us how to watch golf, right?
Mm.
So what's your favorite? I am very bad at putting and I cannot do that. I'm just chip and all, it's just too much for me. And so what's your favorite thing to do on the golf course?
I'm not so good in the short game, but long range I'm very good at.
So hole in one, have you ever tried that?
No.
So what will happen if you one day manage hole in one? Your dad have to treat you with some big ice cream or something, right?
We'll celebrate.
You'll celebrate. Yeah, I love golf. The main thing I love about golf is that you can watch and everybody is commenting, but only the person with the equipment knows what's going through their head. And recently Tiger played one amazing, I don't remember, I think it was an All-American. I think it was a hole in two, something like that. That's the moment the golf fans we love. And all the cricketers also love golf. So it's like all the cricketers, they love their cricket and they love their golf, which is fantastic. And do you have any other than Tiger Woods? Who's your favorite golfer?
No.
Just top class. We don't look at anyone else, just the top class. Fantastic. So you know what, there's a quote by Tiger Woods. He once said that I love my game and I play through my game. So is there any Tiger Woods quote that you love, or is anything else that about Tiger Woods what you love the most?
Just watching him play and how calm he is when he's playing.
Yeah, that's how calm you are when you play. So I see the similarities, right? Okay, fantastic. So thank you so much and all the very best. And as a fellow golf fan, I hope you get the swing in the World Cup, like a golf swing for a six down the ground, and it'll be fantastic to watch.
Thanks. And thank you for having me.
Oh, no worries at all. It's just really great to have a chat with you.
स्मार्ट हो रहा है इंडिया, जैसे इंडिया में बना एलिस्टा स्मार्ट एलईडी टीवी with world class clarity and amazing features.